Hey, Doc.
Is it high noon yet?
No, no, it's not high noon yet. What are we doing actually?
Look what's behind us.
Aha, I knew this looked different. Doc and Queenie Classes. Wow, what is this?
We've got a whole bunch of classes coming up once a month at
High noon.
That's very good. High noon. Yes, I cannot wait.
Love to get that in there, don't you?
So, hey, if you're catching this on Doc and Queenie Facebook page, or even if you're on one of our pages, Laura Christine, which sounds weird, and Kathy Weaver, which sounds weird.
Yeah.
Doc and Queenie. We are having classes. It's one time a month at high noon. And the date, what about the date, Queenie?
Let's make it easy for everybody to remember. We're every Monday for Doc and Queenie. Let's do the last Wednesday of every month. How's that?
That sounds fabulous. So, the last Wednesday of every month at Doc and Queenie Classes. I'm excited. How about you?
I can't wait.
All right. Well, we will see you at the first class. Bye, Queenie.
Bye, Doc.